Hello children, I welcome all the students of class 1 to Moral Science class. Children, today we are going to study chapter 1, The Gift. This is part 1 of this chapter. In this video, we are going to read the chapter and I will be explaining you the chapter. And I am Sneha. Children, this is your moral science book, Gems for Life. Let's start today's class. Lesson 1, The Gift. What happened to Papa? Getting late? Anu was anxious. Papa had promised to take me to the town for the flower show. Anu was wondering that what has happened to her papa. Why is he getting late? Anu's papa had promised her to take her to the town for the flower show. So she was anxious to know that why Anu's papa was getting late. She was excited to go for the flower show, so she could not wait till her father comes back from work. Hi, here comes Papa. Anu ran and took his hands. Papa, don't we go for the flower show now? Sure, dear. The moment Anu was wondering why her papa has not come, her father comes and she becomes excited. She ran towards her papa and says, Papa, don't we go for the flower show now? But Anu's papa says, sure dear. Anu's papa was ready to go for the flower show. Anu was in another world on her way to the town. She was not bothered about the shops or decorations on the roadside. As I have told you, Anu was excited to go for the flower show. So when she was going to the flower show, she was in another world on her way to the town. She was not at all bothered about the shops or decorations on the roadside. She was so much excited for the flower show that she was not at all concerned about the shops or decorations that were on the roadside. They reached the town where the flower show was going on. Wow, what a beauty! What a variety! What colors! As soon as Anu reaches the flower show, she was surprised and she was stunned by the beauty of the flowers. She says, What a beauty! What a variety! What colors! Papa, why don't we have these flowers in our garden? When Anu sees the variety of flowers and the beautiful flowers, she asks her papa, why don't they have these flowers in their garden? Each plant needs suitable climate and soil, like you, my dear. Anu's papa replies that each plant needs suitable climate and soil just like Anu. Like me, Anu was curious. When Papa says so, Anu was curious to know that why her Papa says that every plant needs suitable climate and soil just like Anu. Yes, long ago, God the Creator thought of you and prepared Papa and Mama earlier for you. After setting everything, God created you. So Papa answers, yes. When God, the creator of everything, thought of creating Anu, he prepared Papa and Mama earlier for her, and after setting everything, God created Anu. Anu asks, is it God who gave me life? Sure, your life is the most wonderful gift of God. Think of all those children who do not have a chance to lead a happy life like you. When Anu asks her papa that is it God who gave her life, Anu's papa replies, sure, because our life is the most wonderful gift of God. The most wonderful gift which God has given us is our life. Then Anu's papa asks her, think of those children who do not have a chance to lead a happy life like you. So Anu's papa says that think of the children who do not have a chance to lead a happy life like Anu lives. They do not have the facilities as Anu. So Anu should be thankful to God to give her such a happy life. Anu says, God blessed me with body and mind, hands and legs, eyes and ears, nose and mouth, hair and head, and everything. I am God's special gift. Isn't it, Papa? When Anu hears her Papa's words that God has created all of us, then Anu says that she would like to thank God for all the things God has given her. And she says that she is God's special gift. Then Anu's papa says, Anu, you must make your life a blessing. Yes, Papa, I will thank God every day. I will do good to all. Then Anu's papa says that Anu, you must make your life a blessing. You must do good. Then Anu replies, yes, Papa, I will thank God every day for all the things that God has given us and I will do good to all. So, children, from this chapter, we come to know that God had created all of us and we should thank God for everything He has given us. So, now we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching the video. Your homework is read the chapter 2 times. Children, we will be meeting very soon with the next video of this chapter. Till then, revise your chapter well.